I am super excited. For the very first time, we're trying sous vide cooking, and we're cooking fillets. So I'm very excited about those tenderloins. We've already vacuum sealed it with a little bit of salt and pepper and some garlic, which is going to be really nice. This sous vide machine is from Anova. It seems so simple. Everything I've read about it, it seems like a fail-proof system. This is what it is. We just have a regular pot full of water. It tells you exactly the maximum limit for maximum water and the minimum depth that you need to have to be able to submerge your vacuum bags in it. Right now it's on, and I'm a techie. I love tech, and it's connected to my phone through the Anova app, which is really, really cool. I looked up the recipe based on the weight, based on the size. These are 8-ounce fillets. I'm putting these 2 fillets. Once the temperature reaches 125, I'll put them in for about an hour and 15 minutes. And once that's ready, we will be searing them off for about 30 seconds to a minute on each side, and they'll be crispy and ready and perfectly cooked to a medium rare. So I've got it all set up here on the app, 125, and I'm going to set the timer for and I'll put it at 120 because I know I want 115. Well, I keep on messing up here. 120, there you go, set time. And let me start the Anova from my phone, guys. Come on. So this is what it is. Basically, there's a heating element within the sous vide machine, and it's also fanning the water or swirling the water around so it will never just stand still. And it is extremely precise. So the water is always going to be at a precise temperature to make sure that our steaks cook evenly and perfectly. Can't wait to finish it off. So it took roughly about 7 or 8 minutes to get to the desired temperature of 125. It notified me by a little chime and also on my phone, which is really, really cool. Again, the app is awesome. So all I have to do now is submerge these vacuum sealed bags in the water, and it is hot. It's really, really nice, but it's not boiling hot. This will hover to the desired temperature of 125 and stay there precisely for the next hour and 18 minutes or so. And then let's sear it and eat it. So the timer is at 0, means it's ready. So let's not wait any more time. Just stopped it now. I'm not gonna take it off right now. I'm just gonna take out the meat. It's been an hour and 20 some minutes. Look at this. It's very hot. It's, they say to put it on just a little piece of paper, and we're gonna go and sear it and finish it off. Should be a medium rare at this point, and we're gonna sear it off to just a little over medium rare. This is so easy. We went on with our day while this was cooking safely. Look at this, this is great. Just gonna put it right there and tap it out and get it ready for the sear. So this is piping hot. Let's add some butter. I'll add my garlic. We're here to sear very, very quickly, some time. That's the sound you want to hear. I'm gonna get some color, a nice crust on both sides. So this is the moment of truth. After being in the sous vide with the Anova machine for over an hour and then searing both sides real quickly, it has been resting for roughly 10 minutes. Oh, if you could smell what I'm smelling right now, it's absolutely incredible. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Beautiful, medium, just like anticipated. It's going to be so delicious. I'm so excited for this. This is my new favorite toy.